Welcome to the Auto King. Yamaha has revived a legend with the 2025 Raider, a power cruiser designed for riders who crave performance, style, and comfort. With a bold new look, upgraded technology, and a monstrous V-twin engine, the Raider is back to dominate the streets. Let's dive into what makes this machine a true force in the cruiser world. Engine or performance. At the heart of the 2025 Yamaha Raider is a massive 1900 cubic centimeter air-cooled V-twin engine, delivering jaw-dropping torque and raw power. Yamaha has refined the fuel injection system for smoother throttle response while maintaining the deep, rumbling exhaust note that Raider fans love. The 6-speed transmission provides effortless shifting, whether you're cruising at low RPMs or pushing it to the limit. Chassis or handling. Despite its muscular stance, the Raider is built for agility. The lightweight aluminum frame improves balance and stability, making it surprisingly nimble for a cruiser of its size. Yamaha has also fine-tuned the suspension, featuring a telescopic front fork and a hidden rear shock that delivers a smooth, controlled ride. The low center of gravity enhances handling, giving riders confidence on twisty roads and highway stretches alike. Design or comfort. The 2025 Raider stays true to its aggressive chopper-inspired roots, with a long, low-slung profile and massive rear tire. The redesigned LED headlight and taillight give it a modern touch, while the muscular fuel tank and sculpted fenders add to its bold presence. The Raider's ergonomics have been improved with a more relaxed handlebar position and a well-padded seat, making long rides more comfortable without sacrificing its signature attitude. Technology or features. Yamaha has packed the 2025 Raider with modern tech while keeping its raw cruiser DNA intact. A new TFT digital display provides real-time ride data, including speed, fuel levels, and trip information. The addition of selectable ride modes and traction control enhances safety and adaptability to different road conditions. Bluetooth connectivity allows riders to access navigation and music, while the keyless ignition system adds a touch of convenience. Fuel efficiency or practicality. For a big V-twin, the Raider offers respectable fuel efficiency, thanks to Yamaha's refined engine tuning. The large fuel tank ensures long-range cruising without frequent stops, making it a great choice for riders who love the open road. The bike also comes with optional touring accessories, including saddlebags and a windshield, for those who want added versatility. Final thoughts. The 2025 Yamaha Raider is a true power cruiser that blends classic muscle with modern innovation. With its massive V-twin engine, aggressive styling, and rider-friendly features, it's built for those who want to make a statement on the road. Whether you are a long-time Raider fan or a newcomer looking for a high-performance cruiser, this bike is sure to impress. What do you think of the new Yamaha Raider? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the Auto King for more motorcycle reviews and updates. Ride safe and stay tuned.